Hello everybody, Boomba Racing here with our Elantra N rear motor mount. This motor mount is designed to work on all 2022 to current model Elantra Ns, along with many other Hyundai models. Don't let the sloppy factory rear motor mount prevent your Elantra N from reaching its full potential. The Boomba Racing rear motor mount is precision CNC machined from billet aluminum and engineered for the perfect balance of performance and comfort. This mount helps to stabilize the engine during launches, hard acceleration, and aggressive cornering. The factory rear motor mount is cast aluminum and has soft rubber bushings, while this rear motor mount is CNC machined from billet aluminum and features 80 Duro molded polyurethane bushings. We've chosen to implement 80 Duro polyurethane bushings with this mount, which strikes a perfect balance of comfort and performance. The 80 Duro bushings help absorb vibrations while still allowing for effective power transfer without excessive wheel hop. Unlike most of the competition, our bushings are poured and not pressed in. This design leads to a much more durable motor mount, as the collar cannot rotate in the bushing and cause excess friction. You can get our motor mount in 4 different colors: black, natural, red, and blue. You can check out product reviews for the Elantra N rear motor mount on our website to read about real-life impressions from our customers. Like all Boomba Racing products, our motor mount is made in the USA at our own CNC machine facility and backed by a lifetime warranty. Get yours today at boombaracing.com.